Heartbeat monitoring. Imagine your distributed system as a hospital patient connected to a heart monitor. Just like doctors need to know if a patient's heart stops beating, your backup servers need to know if the main server is still alive and healthy. In production systems, we implement something called heartbeat monitoring. Every 2 seconds, your primary server sends a simple message saying, "I'm still working." Your standby servers listen for these heartbeats like nurses monitoring vital signs. Here's the critical part. If they miss 3 heartbeats in a row, that's just 6 seconds. They know something's wrong. This isn't arbitrary timing. Too fast and a brief network hiccup triggers false alarms. Too slow and your users notice the downtime. Netflix uses this exact pattern to keep their streaming service running 24/7. When one of their servers goes down, another takes over before you even realize anything happened. That's the power of automated health monitoring in distributed systems. Election process. When the president becomes unable to serve, the government doesn't shut down. There's a clear succession plan. Distributed systems work the same way through what we call leadership election. Picture this scenario. Your primary server just crashed at 3 a.m. Without human intervention, your standby servers immediately spring into action. They don't all try to become the new leader at once. That would create chaos. Instead, they hold an automated election. Each standby server announces its candidacy and shares its qualifications, things like how up-to-date its data is and its processing capacity. They vote for the best candidate, usually the one with the most recent data. The winner becomes the new primary server and starts handling all of the traffic. The entire process takes about 6 to 10 seconds. No phone calls to engineers, no manual intervention, no downtime. This is how companies like Uber ensure that when you request a ride, their system is always available to match you with a driver, even if servers are failing behind the scenes. Zero-downtime achievement. Let's talk about the difference between amateur and professional distributed systems. When an amateur system's main server crashes, users get error pages for 5 to 30 minutes, while engineers frantically restart servers and restore data. Professional systems achieve what we call zero-downtime failover. When a server fails, users don't even notice. No error pages, no loading screens, no interrupted transactions. The system seamlessly switches to backup servers in under 10 seconds. This isn't theoretical. It's how the world's largest companies operate. When you're watching Netflix and their data center loses power, you keep watching. When you're buying something on Amazon and their primary payment server crashes, your transaction still completes. The business impact is massive. Amazon calculates that every second of downtime cost them $10,000 in lost sales. Netflix would lose millions of subscribers if their service went down frequently. This is why learning distributed systems architecture isn't just about passing interviews. It's about building systems that real businesses depend on, systems that handle millions of users without breaking, even when individual components fail.